In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal into Wix 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll have PayPal connected so customers can check out with a method they already know and trust, and you'll understand exactly where each setting lives inside your Wix dashboard. Start on your Wix dashboard home for the site you want to use. If you manage more than one site, make sure you've selected the correct one so you don't connect PayPal to the wrong project. The home area gives you quick access to everything, but for payment setup, we're going straight into your site's core settings. From the dashboard, scroll through the left-hand menu and open Settings. Think of this as your control center for the nuts and bolts of your site: store details, shipping, tax, and of course, payments. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. Wix updates its interface from time to time, but the Settings section is always available from the main dashboard. Inside Settings, click Accept Payments. This is where Wix groups every payment option you can enable for your checkout, and it's the page you'll revisit later to make changes or to troubleshoot. Give the page a moment to load your region and business details. Wix tailors the available providers based on your location and the type of site you're running. Now look for PayPal in the list of payment methods. It will typically appear with the familiar PayPal logo. If you don't see it right away, scan the recommended and additional methods, or use the page's search if it's available. Take a second to confirm your site currency in your store settings aligns with what you plan to accept in PayPal. Using a supported currency helps prevent checkout hiccups. When you're ready, click Connect next to PayPal. A panel or a new window will guide you through the connection. Follow the prompts to sign in to your PayPal account and authorize the link to Wix. If you're asked, note that PayPal for Business is generally required for website payments. Stick with one primary PayPal email to avoid confusion, and complete any brief verification PayPal requests. When the authorization finishes, you'll be brought back to Wix, and you should see PayPal marked as connected or enabled. That's it. PayPal is now part of your checkout. For best results, review your tax, shipping, and currency settings in Wix so totals calculate correctly, and consider placing a small live test order to confirm the flow feels right for your customers. If anything seems off, return to Accept Payments to check the connection status and update preferences. You've successfully integrated PayPal into your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.